The Ion solar disk is activated in Antarctica. Message from Master Lady Nada. The Ion solar disk is activated in Antarctica, bringing forth its virtues, qualities, and all its information. Antarctica is preparing to emerge. This continent, which was once a major life center of a civilization, is emerging due to planetary movements that occurred in previous epochs of the axis rotation, placing Antarctica under ice while it was very close to the equatorial zone. Antarctica is getting ready to fully emerge, along with its civilization of light that resides at dimensional levels beyond 5D. They serve as catalysts for the entire process and are beings of elevated consciousness. They are very thin, tall, and assist the planet from that point. The Ion solar disk begins its process, and many other solar disks have also been activated. Once these 12 solar disks are activated, they will join one by one, marking the time when Earth has completed its ascension process during the Great Solar Flash. This Ion solar disk drives all the other solar disks, especially in the area of South America, acting like a major technological hub, a great center of energy information for the other solar disks, which are also centers of information. This is all in the process of activation, because all this information will unify for the ascended new Earth. For the new humans, light to participate in this ascension process to the new Earth. We are making great progress in this ascension process. Everything in its own pace, in its own time. I bless you. I am Lady Nada. I am filled with joy as I transcribe this great message, beloved brothers and sisters. As you know, Antarctica is one of the most mysterious places on our planet, not only due to its inaccessibility because of its climate, but also because of the stories and legends that originate in this sacred place. Within or beneath this place exists the lost city of Kiona, said to be under the white layer of snow and ice covering the continent. It is said that this city is connected to Lemuria, and it is believed to house one of the greatest power tools. One of the 12 activation solar disks, which is linked to the Great Solar Disk of Paititi. Moreover, there is a large crystalline pyramid. I send you a strong solar hug from the Northern Hemisphere to each one of you, and do not forget to share this message with other groups, family, and friends. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light on Earth. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide.